Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change a language in your iPhone 16. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone 16 and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your iPhone 16 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here general. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find there something say language and region. After click over language and region, if you decide to add new language, you can click here add language and then you will see there is a bunch of languages available. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose the Japanese and then it's saying to would you like to use Japanese as your primary language. We're going to click here use Japanese as my primary language. So after done, your phone going to be restart and it's going to be immediately appear new screen language. Now you can see I have successfully changed my phone language English to Japanese. So in this simple way you can easily change your phone language. But here is something else. Might be your phone has by mistakenly changed language and you would like to change it to English. Even myself, I don't know Japanese language, but I would like to set my phone language to English. So what you have to do, you need to use a trick. That trick will help you to change your phone language to English existing one. So even you don't know that particular language, we'll use a trick which is called icon trick. So for example, you all know this is the gear icon, so you have to click the gear icon and then it's going to appear again. You will see there is another gear icon, so you have to click over on it and then it will scroll down until you find out this language icon. So here is the language icon, you can see here. So what you have to do, this is the first 1 2 3 4. So this is the icon which is the world or something, we all know that. So we're going to click over on it. From here you can see, luckily if English is here it's great, if not you can click this blue icon and you can easily choose the English language. Anyway, I already have English, so I will choose it and I will hold it and bring upper side and then a pop-up appear. Do you like to set this language as a default language? So we're going to click over this red line and then my phone going to be successfully changed Japanese language to English language. Even I myself, I don't know that Japanese language. So in this simple way you can easily change your iPhone 16 language. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.